So formatting controls the overall appearance of the table. Yes.
Ma'am, your voice is low.
Beta, it will get clear because of network issues. It is not coming clear, but it will get clear. Don't worry. Formatting controls the overall appearance of the table. Formatting controls means formatting से आपकी table की overall appearance दिखाई देती है. You will find the overall appearance of your table from formatting. कि आपका table कैसा दिख रहा है, how you have made the table, what kind of formattings you have done, or how you are making changes into your table. Second comes, you can format the table by using commands that given in the table below. Means in the formatting table, you can use the formatting, or you can format a table by giving the commands like style group. In the style group, many commands are being given there. I am just showing you with an example. I'm showing this with an example. I'm sharing the screen with you all. Okay, please mute off yourself. And now I'm going to share the screen. Listen to it very carefully. Do not unmute. Next comes now I will tell you how you can format your table. See how we have made the table. First we will go on insert. Then again we will click on the table. Then I will select a table for myself. Like this is my table. Here I am writing name of the student. I'm making it quite larger so that it is easy for you to understand. Class and next comes your date of birth, and here comes your phone number. This is my table. Now I am going to do formatting. Suppose name of my student is Srishti. Her class is 5 Daisy. Then her date of birth is so and so, XYZ. Any date of birth you can mention. Her contact number is this. Then next comes Insha. Her class is 5 Daisy. Her date of birth may be any. Then her contact number. In this way, I am creating my table. Students, are you understanding all these things? Please unmute yourself and then tell me. Is it visible and understandable by
Yes.
you?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
fine. So this is my table. I have made it quite larger. Now you will be able to see it perfectly. Now how I will be formatting the table. Now beta, what I am going to do, I will format this table. How I will format this table? I will click on styles. Where are my styles? In my table tools, I am having styles. I'm just showing you where it is. Now this is my table. I have to select my table. Then I will click on design. I will click on design tab after selecting my table because I wanted to apply styles on this table. Now what I want to do, these are the themes, these are the colors. You can see this. Themes are, I'm marking the themes with blue color. These are themes. These are all the themes which you can found in your design tab. And what are these? These are the colors which are being shown here. Just wait. These are the colors. These are the fonts. And these are the effects. How you can apply styling, how you can apply formatting, how you can apply effects. And these are the page background. How you can create your page background. Now I will tell you each and every option very clearly. Yes,
Ma'am.
yes. Yes, please say.
Ma'am, you are doing it in Microsoft Word.
Yes, beta, I am doing this in Microsoft Word only. Now, see, now what I want to do, I want to apply any background color. In the page background option, the very right side option, from right side, the very first option is of page background group. This is the group you can see in the page background where I am marking with red color. This is the page background group in the right side corner. Are you able to see everyone? Now,
Yes,
I want
ma'am.
to, very good. I want to take page color. I will click on page color. I will, from the drop down box, I can take any page color I want to take of my choice. It can be any color. Let's take yellow color, or let's take any green color. See, I have taken this green color. Now my page background is of green color. Okay, my page is of green color now. Now what I want to apply, I want to apply some effects. How I will apply effects, this is not of your use. Okay, fonts. Now I want to change the font. मेरे को अपना फॉन्ट चेंज करना है, जो मैंने लिखा है उसका फॉन्ट चेंज करना है, मेरे को उसकी राइटिंग चेंज करनी है. हाउ आई विल बी डूइंग, I will click on fonts drop down box and then I can select any font. Suppose I am selecting, let's take Arial Black, or let's take the Times New Roman Arial. This font I have taken. Now my font is coming of Times New Roman. Okay. Now what else I can do? I can apply any color. Now let's take any color of, let's take blue color, and I can take any design. Okay, because we have already taken the page background color, so designs are not available here right now. Now what I'm going to do, changing the column width. अब बेटा मुझे कॉलम की विड्थ को चेंज करना है, जो मेरे कॉलम्स बने हुए हैं टेबल में उसकी विड्थ जो है मुझे उसको विड्थ को चेंज कराना है. हाउ आई एम गोइंग टू चेंज द कॉलम विड्थ? You can.
Excuse me, ma'am, your voice is not clear.
बेटा it will come clear now. You can resize the column width. आप column width को resize कर सकते हो
Ma'am,
बेटा.
your voice is not clear.
बेटा it is because of internet stability. You can see it from the video. I will be sharing the video. Now you can resize the column width either by using the option available on layout tab or by the mouse pointer. आप resize कर सकते हो column width को, जैसे कि हम माउस पॉइंटर से भी resize कर सकते हैं और हम options जो हमारे layout tab में है हम वहां से भी resize कर सकते हैं. For example, in the layout tab, I am clicking on layout button. When I am clicking on layout button, I will click on the properties. Now click the layout tab. I have clicked the layout tab. I will click on again and select the properties button in the tables group. The table property dialog box appears. बेटा tables group में आप tables group में properties का button select करोगे. When you will select, this is the property button I am showing. This button is of property button. This is the property button where I have marked. Now you will select this property button. I have selected. This dialog box will appear. Now I can give any formatting to this. I can give it alignment also. मैं alignment भी दे सकती हूँ बेटा कि मुझे अपना जो मेरा टेबल है वो राइट में होना चाहिए, सेंटर में होना चाहिए या लेफ्ट में होना चाहिए. Suppose I am aligning it right. अगर मैं राइट में अलाइन करती हूँ, now I am aligning it right. अगर मैं इसमें अलाइनमेंट डाल रही हूँ राइट अलाइनमेंट का, then I can click on right and then OK. Now I am clicking on row. I can give any height or any, like I can give any specific height. I can give any column height or measured in inches, whatever. जो भी मेरे को width देनी है, suppose width 1.62 है, इसमें आप width को change भी कर सकते हो. अगर आपको ये easy नहीं लग रहा तो you can close it. You will be closing it. Now you can change it width like this also. You can tap on, just click on the border of your table and then you can extend it. Can you all see this? It is extending from here, from the right. I'm clicking it, taking it rightwards. तो इसकी width बेटा ऐसे change होती जा रही है. Then again मुझे ये date of birth की width भी change करनी है, तो मैंने इसको rightwards shift करा. मैं अपने माउस के लेफ्ट बटन से ड्रैग करूंगी बेटा इसको and it will get changed. Similarly,